Joining me now for more is Headlines Today's Associate Editor Atish Srivastav. Also joining me is Devendra Fadnis, BJP leader from Mumbai. Devendra Fadnis, let me come to you first. These are direct allegations being leveled by someone that the BJP may today want to call somebody who's working at the behest of the Congress, but she is actually an RSS man's daughter.
See, I would like to say two things. One, the allegations that Mr. Gadkari has business relations with Mr. Sharad Pawar are not only malicious but ridiculous. We outrightly reject it. By no stretch of imagination there can be such business relations. Second thing, I have myself met Anjali Damania several times. I have been talking to her on phone several times. She passed on certain documents to me on irrigation scam. I raised all those things in the assembly, and on my behest that an inquiry was initiated in the irrigation scam. Secondly, when Mrs. Damania was targeted as an RTI activist and some dispute about her land which was forcefully being acquired, I raised the issue in the assembly saying that RTI activists should not be targeted. Thirdly, from 2007 to 2012, there are at least 50 instances where we have targeted Mr. Ajit Pawar, where we have targeted the irrigation scam, and let me tell you, not a single time, never ever in our life that Mr. Nitin Gadkari called us and said don't do this. In fact, in two of the meetings, Mr. Nitin Gadkari said that in Maharashtra we need to take this government head on, and at least on irrigation issue you take them head on.
Okay,
all
but
the inquiries which
have
been
initiated, where is the evidence?
Are initiated at
okay, that is your point. You are saying where is the evidence, and Anjali Damania has given out details of that SMS that she sent to Nitin Gadkari at 4:43 p.m. where she says, "Hello Mr. Gadkari, my Baba was in the RSS and as a kid I always heard that prayer," and then she goes on to talk about that prayer, and she says that she's very upset that you are saying that you have business ties with Sharad Pawar, and that is why you are not going to rake up this issue, and that you actually wanted Kirit Somaiya. Nitin Gadkari has said to have called Kirit Somaiya clueless and eccentric. Why is Nitin Gadkari not responding to these direct allegations that are being leveled at him?
Then Nitin Gadkari doesn't need to reply to any such allegations which are not substantiated. A mere SMS cannot substantiate the allegations. Moreover, please go logical. Logically, any party president, if he doesn't want somebody to be targeted, let's say Mr. Pawar not to be targeted, he would ask the leader of opposition, he would ask me who is directly targeting. He never says that. In fact, he says that target them. So, you have to go by the logic.
Okay.
There is no logical reason for Mr. Gadkari to say this.